Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna give you a simple tutorial to delete conversations in Google Chat. So if you want to delete a Google Chat conversation, it's actually pretty easy. You can do it with just one click. So first, open your Gmail and then here at the left panel, go to Chat column, and in here you'll find your conversations in Google Chat. And to delete a conversations, you need to go to the chat here and click on the three dots icon and go to delete conversations. So here this deleting process is permanent, so you can undo this action. So you need to make sure that you are sure to delete the conversation, and you need to make sure that the chat is not important, or and you can see that the other participants can still view this conversation. So only it will only delete it in your Google Chat. So if you are sure, just click on delete, and just like that, the conversations will be deleted. Okay, guys, so that's all for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment. And if you think the video is helpful, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.